Hey, Dennis.
Hey, Sarah.
What are you cooking?
I'm cooking a casserole thingy.
A casserole thingy?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, please tell me more.
Spanish rice, chicken, broccoli stuffed, cheese, onion, garlic, cream of chicken soup.
All of this stuff. Oh my
Crazy.
goodness.
Throw it all together. A little salsa.
Little cheese. Oh no, the rat is going to want this.
Don't give that to the rat.
I'm not going to. I'm going to throw it away.
It'll go into the trash.
Hey Kiva, what are you doing?
Grating some cheese. So
That's
right
cool.
before Dennis wrote me into helping him cook his mysterious casserole, I was on the phone with my mom just outside that door, and I saw a couple cornfields go down. Garfield Park.
Like two?
Normal.
No big deal. No big deal. Happens every day. Every day. Just kidding, but probably. It's probably the alleyway where the drug deal went down. Is it where that black van always parks, Kiva?
Actually, it was beyond the community garden.
Oh, shoot.
Broad daylight.
Oh, what's that road called that we're not supposed to go down?
Van
Buren.
Van Buren. That is the one we're not supposed to go down.
But
Cool.
it's not sketchy in Oak Park where I work. It always makes me laugh.
That's good. It's not sketchy on Michigan Avenue where I work either, or Lincoln Park. So now what are you doing?
I am making this simmer for 20 minutes.
So exciting. We're going to watch the whole time.
Yep, it's usually a vlog, literally 20 minutes of.
We're going to time-lapse the rice cooking.
Because why not?
Just
right?
kidding.
No,
I'm not going to do
we're
that.
totally doing it.
Sweet. So you're just going to cook the chicken and then cut it up?
Yep, into little pieces of delicious chicken.
Yum.
Mm.
That's awesome. So today at work, I went to John's office, my boss, to get Bibles. And because we were talking about the different versions of the Bible on Sunday, and he sent me back with 20
What?
Bibles.
20
Yeah, okay, well,
different translations,
I might have exaggerated.
but still.
There were over 12. And some of
That's
them were in
crazy.
Greek, and some of them were in English. There was a giant one that was the King James version, and it had illustrations.
Wow.
And yeah, it's pretty
That's
ridiculous.
pretty intense.
Yeah, but somehow I have to transport all of those over Sunday morning to a different building. I might need a wheelbarrow.
Like you need several bags.
I know.
And some people to pay to carry them.
I know. I'm gonna bring my backpack, but yeah, that's pretty much what I did today. Was
Weightlifting in the job description.
the Bibles. I was bench
That's
pressing
right.
Bibles.
Bench pressing
So
Bibles.
my day, how did it go? I got there, actually for the first time since I've been here, and Stephanie and I have been at the same place. She got there before me. It was crazy. Let's see. I created a spreadsheet because my boss needs to keep track of everyone's time cards because people have been stealing hours.
Yikes.
Yay! So that was really easy. And then I fixed the internet because nobody else at the place that I work knows how to work any kind of internet sort of a thing. And they just think I'm young, so I have to understand it. So I spent 3 or 4 hours fixing the internet for 2 computers.
Instant technological genius.
Basically, it was amazing. I did a lot of paperwork, as I almost always do. And I met this really cool dude. He's really old, and I can tell that he's really old because he said he was a Marine. Or not a Marine, sorry. Hawker. He would probably be pissed if I said Marine. He was a Navy SEAL, which is totally
Yikes.
different. Oh, shit!
Completely different.
Right? Okay. Anyway.
I mean, not that different. They're both really intense.
Yeah, they're pretty hardcore, but Navy SEALs and Marines don't like each other.
I know.
Okay. And so...
It's a long story. We'll talk about it later.
Anyway, so he's yeah, I've been to Coronado. I asked him if he'd been to Coronado because that's where I'm from. He was yeah, that's where I got my training. I was well, obviously, all Navy SEALs do, and that's a stupid question. But I was yeah, okay. And so he's yeah. So you know those Marines that or not Marines? I said it again. This is ridiculous. No, those Navy SEALs that were just in the news for killing Osama bin Laden. I was yeah, I know them. He was yeah, they were the training class 536, and he was well, I was 110, and I was you're 400 training classes before people in the news. You're really old.
That's
and he was wearing a New York Fireman shirt, which I thought was cool. But he was also wearing a Boston Red Sox hat, and I was kind of at odds. Doesn't make sense. And today, on the way home, it was really, really hard to get home because there were so many people coming from the Cubs game that I didn't care about. But apparently, all of Chicago does.
I know. There were a lot of people on the red line. I feel like there are more Cubs fans than White Sox fans.
I feel like maybe they're just louder. I'm not sure.
They're more drunk. That's what I was going to say. They're more drunk. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm really excited about these because we're going to make Rice Krispie treats, but actually they're frosted wheat. Oh, no, we're not making Rice Krispie treats because those are like...
They're the same thing. I've made them before.
Are you sure?
They're not Rice Krispies. They're like Smacks. They taste so good. They're like a twist. That's
okay.
It's going to be amazing. That's awesome.
And then we also have marshmallows. And we talked about making these before, and then Dennis actually got them because he's awesome. So we're going to have Smack'ems. Is that what they're called?
I guess.
Smack'ems Crispy Treats. What would that be?
No, they're called like Honey Smacks.
Honey
Let's call them,
Smacks.
Smack treats.
Smack treats. We're making
How about Smack Snacks? Smack Snacks. Oh, I like it. Smack Snacks.
Smack Snacks to go with the drug deals happening in the alleyway of our house and the casserole thingy. So all in all, pretty good day, huh? So wouldn't you say, Kiva?